Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll teach you how to cut and stitch this Egyptian khimar with flare skirt. So you need about 6.5 to 7 yards of fabric depending on the measurement you are working with. So to get started, measure 3.5 yards of fabric. You cut it out, then you fold it into two, then into triangular form as seen. You can see. So at this side you locate your hip divided by 4 plus 1 inch. So after that, measure your length from the down, so you note it. So from the pointed, you measure, just take your tape and measure what you have there round, so achieve a perfect round shape. So that this place will now be our waist, where we attach the elastic. You can see. So ensure that you have perfect round shape. So you now take your tape from the pointed up here, pointed up down to where you have your skirt length stop. So you can see, confirm your skirt length measurements. Ensure you have your skirt length measurements. Then you take your tape like this. So now measure it round what you have there. So what you have there, you measure it on. Measure what you have. Ensure that the table is at the pointed area up. So you connect what you just marked. So with this you have achieved perfect flare shape. So you call the waist area. For the Egyptian hijab, you check the many fabrics. So you fold in breadth, you measure your front measurement plus 1 inch. You fold, you measure your back measurement plus 1 inch. Back piece is usually longer than front piece. So at up here you measure 7 inches. So you take your table this way, measure your sleeve length, measure 27 inches, and from that 27 inches measure 7 inches. So and I take my table and roll as seen. So the wideness of this is 25 inches for the down wideness of my khimar. So at down area you locate the center of the khimar. So locate the center. I use 25 inches for the down wideness. So after you locate the center, you shape the down of the khimar. So if you want full detailed tutorial, you can check my channel. I have full detailed tutorial on how to cut Egyptian khimar on my channel. So with this you will be able to cut the khimar. So you cut out the cap. So I want to cut cap with rope, so you need 4.5 by 30 inches on fold. So the leftover fabric I can't get up to that 30 inches, so I'll have to join it. You can see. So this is sleeve. You can cut 10 by 10 inches on fold in 4 places for the sleeves. This is me joining the many parts of the curve. So I want it longer, so I cut another piece and join it to the cap. So for you to have watched up to this moment, that means this tutorial have been very useful to you. Kindly give me thumbs up, comment, share this video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so this will encourage me to make more videos. So you take the front piece and the back piece, right side facing right side. You measure your front opening, so you sew the sides. So you sew both sides to the round sleeve area where the sleeve length stop. You can see, so you stop here. So I'll attach the cap so the face opening at up to the back piece. So after attaching the cap, so you saw the down part of the face opening. So this is sleeve, so this is me smoking the sleeve. So if you fold the hem, then you smoke the sleeve as same. So you can see. So I cut two pieces for one hand. So this is the second one. So the one is with smoking thread, while the other I'll just put elastic. So this is me putting elastic. So you can decide to fix any sleeve you like, so depend on the sleeve you want. So you saw the size of both sleeves. So after sewing it, so you notch this part, then you insert it. You take the one with elastic, so you insert it into the one that has a smoking, then you sew. You can sew by 1/4 inch. So after sewing it, you can see you have one sleeve, so you can make the one with elastic longer if you like, but this I make it the same length. So you take your khimar, so you sew from the down of this round sleeve opening, so down of the khimar, so leaving only the sleeve opening area. So you put it inside, put the sleeve inside and sew around. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do why to subscribe now, so that you'll be notified when I upload new video. So I make tutorials on modest dress, khimar, abaya, chap, street wears, polo, cargo, t-shirts, and anything fashion related. So this is the band of the skirts. So I want to attach this band to the skirt so that you can see the elastic. So I cut elastic 24 inches and I stitched both ends. So you stitch both ends of the band and elastic, then you put your elastic inside the band as same, then you sew. So you don't sew on the elastic, you sew close to the elastic. That's what I did here. So I'll trim out the excess. So after this, I'll attach it to the flare. At this time, might have joined the back opening of the skirt. So after joining the flare skirt, then you take your band, then you attach it to the waist area of the skirt. You can see that it is very easy to achieve. So just so it's round, and after this you can see the final outlook. So thanks for watching. Bye.